On this exercise, we will be drawing an office space in isometric. While drawing, we will use the reference image over here as our guide to draw our office space and the space provided. Now, as you can see, starter lines are provided for us to show us where each furniture piece is located. Now, let's start by drawing that large cabinet here. These two lines represent these two corners of our cabinet. And these two lines represent these two frontal lines of the cabinet. Now let's start by drawing this vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That line is 7 squares high. Draw the other line 7 squares high as well. And connect those two lines together. And we'll have the front of our cabinet ready. Now let's draw the width of our cabinet. Let's continue that line over there. Draw the other line 2 squares wide as well. And then connect them with each other. Now let's draw the drawers of our cabinet. As we can see on the reference image, each drawer is 1 square high. Let's continue drawing the midline of our cabinet that shows where the cabinet doors are. And let's continue with the small table. This table is 2 squares wide. One line was provided already for us, so all we have to do is go 1 square in. This table is also 1 square high. Do the other line. And then connect all the corners together. And let's continue by drawing that small desk over there. As you can see, we have these lines provided already for us. Now let's draw the height of our desk, which is 2 squares up. Then the horizontal line, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares long. Draw the other vertical line. Now continue again with drawing the length of our desk, 4 squares long. And then the width once more. Draw the last remaining vertical line, and then we go to the carpet. Now the bottom left corner of our carpet is 3 squares away from the small desk. Now let's start by drawing this side, which is 6 squares long. Draw the other line, which is 5 squares long. And draw the remaining line by joining the last 2 points together. Now I'm going to continue with the desk since it is in front of the shelves. Now keep following along and use the same method as before. This vertical line is 3 squares high. So is the other line. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Connect the endpoints together. Let's draw the back line of our desk. Now let's draw the back of our desk, which is 4 squares long, and then the width. Now the width is 2 squares wide. Now draw that vertical line, which is 3 squares downwards. And then draw the inner lines. That's 2 squares upwards. 1, 2. And connect the 2 vertical lines together. And do not forget that front horizontal line of the desk. Now onto that shelving unit with cabinets. Let's start drawing lines from this corner over here. Let's draw the back of our shelving unit, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares long. Then the width is 1 square wide. Do the same on the other side. And let's draw that front line over there. Now let's draw these vertical lines found on the side of our shelving unit. Then let's draw the other side. And that side ends at that end point that's provided for us. Draw that line. Now let's continue with the shelves. Now each shelf is 1 square deep. Now draw the midline of our cabinet. Then let's draw the sidelines of each shelf by going vertically upwards to the right. Now let's apply color. When applying color, you can vary the tones and shade to make light appear as if it is coming from one direction in the room. Now don't forget to draw the other items in the room and the walls as well. And then you're finished.